everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Super School. It's Chandni. And it's amazing, right? You're sitting at home, just lying down on your sofa and watching the video and learning English. It's that easy, guys. If you just like and subscribe my channel, share my video and hit the notification bell, and also follow my Facebook page Super School. And if you think that I have impressed you as an instructor, then you can join my course as well. And it's a great and amazing course. Trust me, it's a complete English language learning course, and it will help you in every way to master and develop English language skill. So now let's move on to the topic that I want to discuss today. That is tense. Present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. So it's very important that your sentence structure is correct while you are speaking, while you are writing, or it's important to understand the sentences correctly. So even in reading and listening, this grammar is going to help you. So grammar is for all four parts of the English language learning. So there is no other alternative for grammar. Now let's move on to present perfect continuous tense first. So present perfect continuous tense defines an action that started occurring in the past and continuing till now. Started occurring in the past and continuing till now. Whereas present perfect tense defines an action occurred recently and has an effect at present. So let me just clear out by giving out the sentence structure. So present perfect tense sentence structure is subject plus helping verb plus main verb in the participle form plus object. So let's say an example. I have completed my work for today, so let's relax now. I have completed my work for today, so let's relax now. Now, here the main verb is complete and the helping verb is have. So the main verb is in participle form and we are using the helping verb have. But if it was like she, then it would be she has. If it was he has. If it was they have. If it was you, then you have. So you must be aware and be careful while using the helping verb, because there must be a subject-verb agreement. Now, let's move on to the sentence structure for present perfect continuous tense. So, present perfect continuous tense sentence structure is subject plus have, that means HV, helping verb. So, subject plus helping verb plus been plus main verb in ing form. Main verb in ing form plus object. So, let's see an example because this sentence is quite long. So, I have been studying for 2 hours. So, I am tired. I have been studying for 2 hours. So, I am tired. So, here in the sentence structure, been must be there, but have or has will change with the subject. Then again, having said that, for 2 hours, so mentioning the time is important in this sentence structure. So you must mention a time. So for 2 hours or since yesterday, like that. So mention the time, it's really important. So it's really easy, it's not at all difficult. So please let me know in the comment section below if my videos are helping you, or suggest a topic that if you want me to cover or you want me to discuss in the videos for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, follow my Facebook page, and if you have time, you must make time for my course. So please come and join my course and explore a new experience in learning English language. Thank you so much.